there, it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my new Enjoy the Journey mini book project kit. So first we will take a look at the completed project, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. So as the cover indicates, Enjoy the Journey is all about traveling. So however your journeys take you, whether it's within your city, your state, within your country, different parts of the world, different parts of their state, whatever it may be, this is a super neutral travel themed mini book project kit. Boy, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Travel themed mini book project kit that can really work for all different types of travel. So I am using one of the Simple Stories snap binders as the base for the project, and I have used the Here and There collection from Simple Stories. So as we get going, there are so many interactive elements in this project kit. I designed the project right after my husband and I came back from a trip to the UK celebrating our 28th wedding anniversary. So I was definitely in the mindset of, kind of documenting all the travels. As I said, tons and tons of different interactive elements, and I always love to do the interactives because those interactive elements give you all the room for adding your additional photos and journaling. So a little tag there, another tag, room for photo. In that little pocket, you have a little fold out there. I love this die cut. It's just like a little open suitcase. You can do a little bit of journaling there. Another interactive. As we go through, you will see that the collection is very neutral. So it works for lots of different areas you may be traveling to, whether it's city, whether it is the country, whether it is a beach vacation. It really works for lots of different things. This we have even more room for your photos and your memorabilia. I love to collect memorabilia when I am traveling. So pockets like this are great for not only tucking photos in and your little journaling tags, but your memorabilia, postcards, plane tickets, even if you have like foreign money, like dollars and things that you want to, dollars, you know what I mean? Whatever the foreign equivalent is of paper money, it could go in a pocket like that. Here's another interactive element. So this is, as I mentioned, the Here and There collection from Simple Stories. And I just love it. I just think they knocked it out of the park on this. I have used quite a few products, and you will see the kit in a second. But one of my favorites that I love using in their mini books are the foam stickers. So you'll see the foam stickers make an appearance all throughout the project. This one is kind of a deeper pocket that's a little bit wider. So if you wanted to include maybe your airline tickets or train tickets, or if you're going to the theater or something on your travels, you could put larger tickets in there, postcards. This is a fun one. This is a waterfall, so we have a little clasp there. There is a suitcase paper clip to hold your little waterfalling pieces here, so if you have room for additional photos and some journaling, and then that little suitcase paper clip just clips right on there, but I will spare us the time of doing that. Pocket page style, so super easy to put your 4x6 photos in, your 3x4 photos in. So this will give you a very good idea. Again, lots of interactive elements, lots of doors, pockets. Love, again, the foam stickers. And I love that pattern of kind of the airline departure board. It's another fold out. So this is meant for doing some of your journaling about your trip. And then you have this fold out here, gives you lots more room for your journaling. And as we start to wind down now, that will give you a very good feel for the project. As you can see, room for lots of photos, lots of pockets and things. And then you even have 3 pocket pages, 2 or 3, 3 left over at the end to add maybe your souvenirs. So again, your memorabilia, your tickets, your brochures, postcards, all kinds of things like that. So there you have it. That is the Enjoy the Journey mini book project kit. And I will pull out the kit and we can see what that looks like. I have included a link in the description box of the video to purchase the kit. And when you follow that link, you can see all of the specific contents of the kit listed. So as always, the Lael by Mail mini book project kits include color step-by-step instructions. Also includes access to a live 3+ hour class where I make the project with you, right along with you step by step. So if you're not able to make that live, you always have access to watch that class at a later date. So we have the 6x8 paper pad. There are 24 sheets, so 2 sheets each of 12 different designs. And then everything there is double-sided, so lots and lots of 6x8 papers to work with. These are the foam stickers that I was referencing, 2 6x12 sheets, so that gives you 85 foam stickers. Love, love, love. A vellum envelope that I use for an interactive element. A little baggie full of twine and baker's twine, a shipping tag, and then two gold paper clips. One of those is a little airplane. I can't remember if we looked at that one or not. You have a package of the Here and There journal bits, so 38 pieces of those journaling die cuts. The 12x12 sticker sheet. You then have a number of 12x12 papers, starting with coordinating color vibes solids. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and we use those quite a bit throughout the project. And then you move into the Here and There papers. So you have a couple sheets of this because one case we're using this side, and then we're, oopsie, doorbell. And then we are cutting those up. We have the 4x4, 2x2s, the 4x6s, and then finally the 3x4s. So as I mentioned, that link to purchase that project kit is included in the description box below. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment here on the video or go to my website at laelbymail.com and click on Contact Us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.